Ehimwenma.
Ododi.
Ehimwenma.
Ododi.
This year is of Angwan Yellow Solocha.
Yes, now let me get all of this.
Please, I need all of them plus extra 5 cents.
It's okay. Chief Odogu, see, is 2 days is almost impossible.
Don't worry, are you not smelling money? Eh? Name your amount and deliver this work, eh?
Wait, you mean the whole chairs?
The whole chairs plus extra 5 cents. Yes, I'm building a hotel. I need to finish it up before Christmas.
In 2 days?
2 days. Name your amount. Eh? Are you not smelling money?
Yes, I'm smelling.
Eh?
I'm smelling money.
Name your amount, Okocha. Don't keep me waiting.
Plus extra 5. Okay, just give us 7.250.
I'll add extra 1 million.
Extra 1 million.
Just deliver this job for me. Eh?
In 2 days?
Yes, 2 days. Abandon every other work and do my work. Please. Yes. Extra 1 million.
Okay, and that will now be 8,250,000.
Exactly. Just do the work in 2 days. Eh?
2 days.
Ego de lobolo. Happen yen dozen na olo.
2 days. 2 days.
Okocha, you are wasting my time.
Okay, sir. We'll deliver it.
Okay.
We'll deliver it.
Call your account number. Let me.
Bring the account number. Are you alright? Money stock here. You are still standing there. Bring the account. 70%.
In 2 days' time. In 2 days' time.
Let's look at it, sir. 270 661 338 1255.
Okay.
Zenith Bank.
I added extra 500,000 for your boys. Just make sure you deliver this job in 2 days.
2 days.
Okocha. 2 days.
2 days.
Yes.
Okay, sir. All right, thank you, sir. Okay. 2 days. 2 days.
Okay. You collect this money? For Chivatu. Okay, this is not wahala.
Come.
Do the high one deliver this.
Shut up! Are you alright? We'll rent Jen. We'll on everywhere. You will work 48 hours straight. We'll deliver it 2 days.
Now this one won't work. Okay, 2 days.
Are you alright? Am I not your guy? We will do it 2 days. There's nothing that is not possible. Everything is possible. Give me your car. Let me go. I need to go arrange Jen. 2 days.
Now you hold my key. Now I should be you could let them. Now you hold them.
No. Check. Go and check that place. 2 days. Oh yeah.
Police come.
We need to go and buy. 2 days. Bring the key. Bring the car key for me.
I don't like this type of question. You be asking somebody stupid questions.
Baby, I'm talking to you. Please, can you just listen to me?
What is it now?
Babe, please,
what
calm
is
down.
it?
Just listen to me. First.
What do you have that you
know
what
that
do you
I
have
love
to
you
say?
so much.
Why
all the time about chief?
You
What's
love
your
me?
business with chief?
How will you love me when you don't have money? It's only a man that has money that is supposed to love. You don't have money.
Can't you believe my plans that I'll make it one day? You try to turn me down or what?
Which plans? Which one?
I had a bright future, trust me.
Which future? This future that is very dark. This one that I'm seeing, that is very dark. Oh, you want me to leave Chief?
This man that
after everything that Chief have done for me. Do you know how much this house cost? 1.2 million. Where did I get the money from? From Chief. Everything you are seeing, from Chief. Oh, is it because I allow you to squat in my house?
Babe, please, let me just...
No, answer me. Is it because I allow you to squat in my house?
No.
Oh, I will throw you away. I will throw you and that your stupid bag away.
No, please.
Why are you begging?
Babe, just calm down. Let me talk to you.
Oh, yeah, talk.
Okay, now, all the time when we are together, we're supposed to spend a quality time together, but a little bit time...
How will I be spending a quality time with a poor man?
At least I'll give you my attention.
Oh, you give me attention. But yeah. Chief, give me money. Do you have money?
But let me ask you...
Diego, do you have money?
Let me ask you one question, sir. Have you ever sit down and ask yourself whether this man that you are playing with is going to marry you or...
Who is talking about marriage? Am I ready? Did I tell you that I want to marry? Oh. I'm not ready for marriage. I want to enjoy myself. I want to eat money.
Really?
Yes!
Have you ever asked yourself, how old are you?
See, you are making me angry.
I know. But
you are making me angry.
Babe,
poor people don't have time to be
serious.
talking all this plenty talk. You are supposed to be inside now looking for job, looking for something to do.
You call me a poor man.
You are poor and you are still stopping me. Stopping me from making my money. I will go and meet chief. I will feed you money, feed you afternoon, feed you night. Even clothes, everything you are wearing now from your head to your toe. Is it not from chief?
No one knows tomorrow, babe. Just
Which tomorrow? The tomorrow that is even dark. They are talking about tomorrow.
How do you see?
Finish today first before you talk. Do you think you will make it tomorrow or you will survive tomorrow?
Really?
You might die today. Oh.
That
So
is
plan today first before tomorrow.
That is your plan for me.
I don't know. I'm just telling you.
It's an unfair then, babe.
No problem now. I'm going out. I want to go and meet chief.
You want to go and meet you?
Yes. I want to go and meet
But
my
keep this
Odogun
word one day.
Parara.
Trust me, one day I will make it.
Until then, now let me wait till you make it.
And when you come back and be begging, I will not look back.
I will not beg you when I have Odogun. Why will I beg a small boy like you?
Really?
Yes.
Can you bet me?
Oga, leave that nonsense you are saying. When men that are rich are talking, poor like you, small children like you are not made to talk.
Babe,
you are a poor boy.
You are walking away from
You have not even grown.
You are walking away from me.
Let me go and meet my Odogun. Hey! Odogun that is sweet. Odogun that have money. Odogun that can... Please take care of my house, so make sure you wash those plates. Even help me wash my dress. I'm coming back later. Oh?
Child. Poverty, what have I done? Who did I offend? This morning, this guy didn't believe me. One day, trust me, I'll make it. And when you come back and be begging, I'll be with a beautiful queen. More than you by then. I'll not even give you face anymore. Didn't care about you. Move on with my life. Trust me. God, you are watching me.
Mama.
Jesus!
Come on.
Come here, my body dey shake. Come here, my body dey shake. My body dey shake. Blood of Jesus, blood.
I've paid my dues.
Jesus, my brain one blow.
Walk. That was how I walk.
Chief.
Ochalugo.
My chief.
It's okay. Eating my money.
I'm here to eat your money.
Eat. You go mad ago.
So that people will see that you are working. You are trying.
Exactly.
Chief. You know I told you I have a meeting today.
Yes.
And I need to be there right now.
Okay.
So I want to go there now.
Alright, no problem. I will send you 300,000 naira. Is it not going to be enough?
No. Chief, make it 500.
500,000.
500.
You people like money.
Yes.
You like money. Don't worry, I will send you 500,000. It's
Chief,
nothing.
Chief, don't forget to add charges. So you know they collect big money now for charges. You
500
need to put charges.
Charges upon 500,000.
Yes.
Women and money.
It.
Okay, don't worry, I will be sending you 550,000.
My chief.
It's nothing.
My chief.
God, the only I will
I
chief
can see
woman
it. Chief, let me start going.
And be going. Make sure that nobody touches my temple.
If I see anybody say,
your body is my temple.
I know.
I don't play with it. Be going. I will see you in the evening.
Okay.
Let me rush to my market. Bye.
Bye.
Achalugo. Oh. Mwa. I gave you money to deliver my job. And this is what you are doing.
Oga, this is not your money, oh.
Okocha,
Oga, you said 2 days. 2 days has not finished. It's just few days added to 2 days. So you can see, I went as far as even getting more boys, hiring people, so that we can. Oga, so you know 2 days is almost.
Okocha, agreement is agreement. You are giving me my money today. Huh? I cannot allow you to eat my money and sit down one day here. Are you wicked?
Come on, keep walking. We keep walking so that Oga is work today.
Even you. If I don't want to tell you, work.
Chief, stop it now. This is being wicked. You see, you're just being wicked. And look at my boys. Look at they are working. They are working tirelessly to make sure they finish your work.
You are giving my money today. I don't want to hear them. I will deal with you. I will tell you the reason why they call me Chief Moon and what's happening with.
Now, who shall be pin? What is pin?
See, either my money or I lock up this place.
So don't lock up.
In Apara. I'm going to make this. Okay, I will make sure that you are lost.
Okay, it's just 2 days after or top 2 days.
And so what? Didn't you agree that you're going to deliver this job in 2 days' time?
But I will deliver it.
You know, here that one with my money.
Okay,
who does that?
Is it the chair that is angry you now or the girl that is angering you? Which one's that?
It's none of your business, okay? Don't ask me silly questions.
Okay, if
I will lock you up.
If it is the girl, you can take it.
I don't have business to do with this useless girl again.
Yes, it's useless.
Very cheap girl.
You are cheap.
Look at Okocha. Huh? Good for nothing man that you have to show dogu like me and follow this fool.
Huh?